Hey everyone, it's Anna from Audiologic. I'm in Barcelona visiting Ecler to celebrate their 60th anniversary in 2025. 6 decades of pushing audio boundaries, which Audiologic are proud to have been a part of for the last 15 years. Let's take a look at some of the launches from Ecler to celebrate their anniversary this year. Recently, EclerCloud was launched to support the VIDA series of amplifiers. This platform allows remote control and monitoring of amplifiers from anywhere in the world, making sure you can track system performance in real time. On the Audiologic application team, we're big fans of the Ecler VIDA amplifiers. Fully designed and manufactured right here in Barcelona, they confirm Ecler's reputation for reliable and powerful amplification. These amplifiers are feature-packed, including integrated audio player, centralized app control, and onboard Dante. But for our team, the standout feature is the proprietary Versa power function. In the range, there's the 16Q, 24Q, and 48Q models, offering a total of 1600, 2400, and 4800 watts. Versa power means you can log into the amplifier's interface and assign power per channel. Simply use the power rating as a bank, and you can allocate as much or as little power per channel as required. This is ideal for anything from powerful systems using subs and tops, or 100-volt systems for both large and small zones. No need to sacrifice channels with bridging or buy multiple amp models to accommodate each zone requirement.
And we are expanding our amplifier range even further this year with the HALO series. Also designed and manufactured here in Barcelona by our experienced engineering team, HALO offers the same feature set as VIDA, but with the bridging instead of the Versa power functionality. These are due to be available by the end of 2025. Ecler HALO delivers powerful, versatile multi-channel amplification with network DSP, flexible bridging options, and intuitive web and mobile control for seamless integration and customized audio settings.
HALO will also be fully compatible with EclerCloud, so you can have a single place to monitor your entire VIDA and HALO setup. But make sure to keep an eye out for further launches from Ecler this year for expansion on their cloud platform. EclerCloud is powerful, intuitive, and it's going to make our jobs a whole lot easier. Congratulations to Ecler on their 60th anniversary from all of us at Audiologic. We can't wait to see what innovations you bring to us in the next 60 years. If you'd like to learn more about any of Ecler's products and upcoming releases, please do get in touch. Until then, we'll see you next time.